On Sunday, there was a double eviction. The house had to say goodbye to Martins and Mercedes. How did that make you feel?
It's made me feel like things were getting serious. I didn't expect Mercedes to go. As for Martins, I don't know if Martins felt like he was going to go because he was acting like he was trying to say goodbye to everybody.
So it made me so sad to see Martins walk through that door, and I cried because I didn't want to see him leave. And as for Mercedes, that was the least expected stuff that I had to see, because she was not the person that came to my mind. I was like, oh, I might be next. But Mercedes was the last person that would ever come to our head.
Being honest, I didn't really have a relationship with either of them, so it didn't hurt as much. But I would say it's a game, it's what we signed up for.
Very sad. I liked Mercedes and I loved Martins, Biggie. Martins was one of the first people that ever asked me a lot about myself. Told me about his dad and how his dad is his oracle. He was a fine young lad.
And I look at Martin's bed, I just imagine him there. Because the 2 weeks we spent here, even if I didn't have a great day, if I struggled to speak with anybody, I knew at the end of the night I had Martins to speak to, so.
I have backing, heavenly backing. Yeah, so it doesn't really move me. I'm cool, I'm chill. I mean, the housemates are always saying that I'm not a serious person because I'm always watching on Sunday mornings.
More pressure, especially from Martins. And shockingly for me, it was the first housemate to leave the house, so it really got me. Like, I even became teary immediately, and yeah, it made me feel like, okay, game on, like, this is reality. This is not, there's no jokes, you know?
That eviction shook. I think it shook everybody. Because, like, it's not like, okay, how do I say? Like, when I look at the house, like, at all 24 of us, I couldn't tell you, oh, this is the person I think is going to go, or this. Like, it was very shocking.